Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to deposit money on your Coinbase Pro. So on PC. So the first step is go to the first thing you need to do is I don't have an account of Coinbase Pro, but I have some screenshots, some photos of another account, and I translate to you this process because it's a Spanish account, but I explain to you what you need to do. So the first step is go to the page, and you need to go to the superior right corner in the blue button of buy and sell, comprar y vender. So after you put here in this blue button, you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy, you want to deposit, like Bitcoin, and after that you need to put how much you can buy of this cryptocurrency. So for example, 100 you pick here, and after that you need to confirm you need to confirm the buy, you need to confirm the deposit, and you pick in the vista previa de la compra. This is like a preview, like a receipt of your buy before you complete the process. So you here you got your receipt, and you pick in comprar ahora. This is like buy for complete your deposit. You pick here, and that's it. You got your cryptocurrency in your Coinbase Pro. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.